Introducing the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.